Hello guys and girls, today we have 15th of February and Saturday, and I planning to change for my Kawasaki fuel tap. I ordered this part 2 weeks ago, and last Monday I get this part, and yesterday and today I drive on red. It's nearly on red, but get fuel out from the tank, and I buy this part original, and I pay 86 euro with post. I hope so you can see, because it's outside is very cloudy. When I back from work it's very raining, all wet. Maybe you can see how I use this light. Maybe you can see what I filming. Tap looks like my original, same like mine. Everything's the same. I have to change this tap, fuel tap, because when I parked motorbike for 2 days, petrol started leaking in the engine. And on Monday, when I have to go to work, very hard to start because too much petrol inside, and I feel when it's shooting. Time to change. I don't like to change all engine for this problem. First, seat plastic tank out. We put there a little bit torn because it's still maybe 3 liters of petrol inside. Yes, sorry, I have no room in the garage. We changed some furniture in the house, so when summer comes I have to clean. Okay, take the seat out. Opa. Sorry for the light, guys. I have only this. On summer you can open the doors. Today outside we have 7+, so a little bit cold. To disconnect electric cable, lower pipe. I hope so. Not so many petrol in this tank left. I hope so it's not leaking. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Where to put what now leaking? Where to put what now leaking? Oh, I hope so, like this. Now leaking. 3 liters, maybe 3 liters left. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Okie dokie, we have to keep this one, because when you put your plastic, this pipe go this way. So plastic have sharp corners, so can cut your pipes. Okay, you have to look for the new pipes now. Yes, I find new pipe. I have to do a bit longer, about maybe 2 centimeters longer. Measure, and cut maybe 2 centimeters longer. That's it, one is done. Now next one. Now next one, I do 2 centimeters longer also. That's it. Phew. Opa. This for future. Shorter go to the right, longer to the left. You have to put this back first. That's it. Come on. Put our rings back on the both pipes. And we put back on the top, on fuel tap. I understand you cannot see what I do there, but I can see, camera don't see. Oh, ring is off. Maybe them holes too little. It's nearly the same holes. I hope so don't broke the new top. I maybe need to heat a little bit, because it's too cold to do this job. Maybe I get the heating. I heat a pipe with, and with this, with fan. We heat the pipe with fan, and then we get on the top. Heat gun, guys. When you heating, guys, is getting a lasting. No. What story now you can go? She's now elastic. Oh, very hot for fingers. Yes, guys. She's in the place. The pipe in the place. Angles. Come on. Oh. Next pipe in the place also. Okay, Tankiezo, come on. Opa. Now first we have to connect the lower top. Sorry, the lower pipe. Because petrol, it start leaking. Petrol wants to leaking. But it's helping to put pipe, because slippy pippy. I got one, guys and girls. That's it, ring in the place. Now, now where is the other pipe to connect? You don't see and I don't see what I do there. That's it. I got that. Now trying to put a ring in the place. That's it, a ring in the place. Why this pipe bended like this, I don't understand. Why she's bended? Oh, she have to. She's bended from the tank. Now we connect breathable pipe, and now we connect our cable. It's show level. Okay, now we have to put tank in the place. This one go there, and tank go in the place. That's it. You hear? Start raining. Woo! Crazy. That's it, guys. Job is nearly done. Fuel tap is changed. Now we put everything back. And Monday I be happy. Go to the garage, take full tank of petrol, and no worries anymore what my petrol go in the tank, in the engine. That's it. What's it? What's it? That's it. Put our spanners back in the place. You know, I imagine today one more problem. We have to change our exhaust system from the front to the back. Here where connection, it's a big 2 holes, and when drive today through the water, all metal fly out. На здоровье. Cheers. Put our seat back. That's it. And we will try to start. You hear big sound coming from here. That's it, guys, working. What can I say? Easy job is done. Thank you for watching. Don't be afraid. Okay, guys, that's it. Weekend is start. My work is done. See you next time. Like it, dislike it, whatever. Sorry for the light. See you next time. Bye bye.